Hello my friends, how are you? Good? Now we are going to do future tense, continue the second part, but we are going to use won't. Entonces para la negación en futuro utilizamos won't. La estructura es la misma, solo que cambia el will not. Y la contracción es won't, que es lo que más se utiliza. Entonces, algunas veces se dice I will not go to the park, pero cuando es algo muy formal, para lo informal o hablarlo, always is I won't go to the park. Entonces vamos a ir con unos ejemplos utilizando la forma negativa con estos verbos que tenemos acá. As you know, these are the most important verbs. Están entre la lista de los verbos más importantes, alright? Entonces, we start with returned. The guerrilla. Look, the guerrilla won't return if the army is there. Entonces, esta es una frase condicional. The guerrilla won't return if the army is there. La guerrilla no volverá si el ejército está allí. The guerrilla won't return. Alright, then we have with search. We have I won't search in the book. I'll search in the web using my laptop. It's faster, but sometimes you need to look in the books. All right, 18, we got stay. So for example, with stay, the third wave is coming, the coronavirus third wave, oh my god, it's coming, so you will stay at home. Okay, we'll stay home on vacations or this coming weekend, the Holy Week. We'll stay at home. 19, we got love. All right, so with love we have they won't go to the cinema to celebrate their anniversary. They'll go in front of the mountain. So the couple won't go to the cinema, they will go to celebrate it in the mountain, in the nature. All right. 20, we got go and speak. So 21, walk. So she won't walk using the shoes, the sneakers, her sneaker. She'll walk shoeless on the sand toward the beach. Very good. 22, live. Okay, I won't live in the country. I'll prefer living in a big city like Marina Bay. Look. So never, no. Nunca vivir en el campo. Siempre, I'll prefer to live in a city, in a big city. For example, the plants need water. Even that cactus will need water to live. All right, it's necessary, really necessary. It won't live without water. It's impossible. So cactus won't live. It won't live without water or any plant. No. Then we have 24. Play and know. All right, she won't play chess with you because she doesn't know the rules. Okay, until she knows the rule she will play, so she won't play. Okay, 25, we got begin and dance. So if you play the music, the baby will start to dance. Okay, 26, we have if you go hike and rest. If you go hiking to the mountain, if you go there, you will want to rest. Okay, in the hallway, it's necessary to rest. So if you won't rest, it will be a catastrophe because you need rest. 27, right. We have right. Okay, I won't hike the mountain. I will ride the lifts. I will use the sky lift or these gondolas until the top and then go down. And finally we got work. So with work, for example, look, he won't work tomorrow because if he arrives late to the office, he won't work. All right, so it's necessary to be punctual or he won't work. Okay, so now tell me something that you won't do on your next vacations.
You won't do it challenge!
Yeah! Oh my gosh!
You can do this! Let's go!
Oh my gosh!
Let's go!
Wait!
You can do this!
No! Stop this right!
Van a decir algo que no harán en sus próximas vacaciones, algo utilizando alguno de estos verbos, o libres también de elegir lo que quieran. Y aquí me escriben que no harán, what you won't do in your next vacation. Right? For example, I won't stay in Bogota. That's for me. I won't stay. Okay? So, see you there.